Hello everyone, welcome to Yangsen Machine Tools production facility. Today I will take you through the entire production process of the YSV-966 machine, from raw materials to the finished product. Are you ready? Let's take a closer look. First, we receive semi-processed cast iron parts from our suppliers. These castings are temporarily stored in the casting storage area. Our quality inspection team conducts QE quality checks based on the precision reports provided by the suppliers. Only castings that pass inspection are sent to our machining workshop for precision processing. In this workshop, the castings undergo high precision machining using milling machines, grinding machines, and other industrial equipment. After quality inspection confirms that the machining meets design requirements, the castings are sent to the painting room for surface treatment. Once completed, they are carefully stored and transferred to the light assembly workshop for machine structure assembly. To ensure consistent product quality, we adopt a sequential assembly process during machine structure assembly. This process is divided into 5 key stages. 1. Base assembly. 2. Saddle assembly. 3. Work table assembly. 4. Column assembly. 5. Final assembly. Each stage is handled by a dedicated supplier team, which not only improves efficiency, but also ensures assembly quality. Once the machine structure assembly is completed, a 48-hour run-in test is conducted. At the same time, thermal extension treatment is performed to eliminate errors and ensure that the 3-axis accuracy meets design specifications. Next, the machine structure is sent to the final assembly workshop, where the complete machine assembly begins. The process starts with positioning and leveling the machine, followed by the installation of sheet metal, pipelines, and electrical circuits. After final assembly, the machine enters the precision testing phase, where we conduct comprehensive accuracy tests, including leveling tests, 3-axis accuracy tests, laser and bull bar tests. These tests ensure that every machine meets our high standards. Finally, we conduct machining tests, including heavy cutting and drilling trials. Only machines that pass all tests are packaged and shipped to customers. This is the full production process of the YSV-966 machine.